BYD Xiahui. The new car will be officially introduced on January 8, 2025. In the intensely competitive MPV market, Toyota Grevia and Sienna successfully won the sales championship and second place in November with their superior performance. However, independent car brands did not show weakness, and BYD's upcoming new MPV model Xiahui attracted even more attention. It is reported that this new MPV, which will offer consumers a new driving experience, will be officially introduced on January 8, 2025. BYD's exterior design is similar to the Denza D9. The body lines are smooth and natural, the shape is fashionable and ostentatious, and the overall color is bright and individual. In particular, the big mouth air intake grille at the front of the car is decorated with a large number of intermittent chrome-plated ornaments such as dragon scale armor, highlighting a unique visual experience. The dragon frame shape on the upper part of the car further highlights the sporty temperament of the car. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of BYD Xiahui are 5145/1970/1805 mm, and the wheelbase is 3045 mm. Although it is slightly smaller than Denza D9, the difference with Toyota Sienna and Grevia is not obvious. Such a body size not only ensures the spaciousness and comfort of the interior, but also ensures the controllability and flexibility of the vehicle. In terms of interior, BYD Xiahui also performs well. It adopts two unique color combinations of Yuanshan dye and runmi and Wan brown and runmi, and incorporates the latest family-style design elements. The center console is centered on a 15.6-inch floating central control screen, paired with a 12.3-inch full LCD instrument panel and passenger entertainment screen, creating a strong technological atmosphere. In addition to leather seats made of metallic leather materials, the car also uses decorative panels with metallic gloss, making the MPV look more luxurious. It has also spared no effort in terms of configuration. In addition to the advanced cockpit equipped with D-Link 150 and the Eye of God advanced intelligent driving system, it is also equipped with a 3-spoke steering wheel and electronic transmission, providing high-end configurations such as 50W wireless mobile phone. In addition, the rear seats are equipped with a one-touch electric folding function, creating a larger space for luggage. It is also worth mentioning that BYD also adopts a 2+2+3 7-seater layout, and the second row is equipped with dual independent super soft cloud seats made of Napa leather. These seats have electric adjustment, electric leg rest, and ventilation/heating/massage functions, and can also be controlled from the inner armrests. At the same time, the backrests of the rear seats can also be rotated, providing passengers with a more flexible and diverse driving experience. In terms of power, BYD plans to adopt the 25 fifth-generation DM technology consistent with the Tang DMI model. The maximum power of the 1.5T engine can reach 115 kilowatts, and the maximum power of the drive motor is 200 kilowatts. In order to meet the power performance required by electric vehicles, the vehicle also adopts a new battery management system and is equipped with two battery pack capacities of 20.39 kWh and 36.628 kWh. The pure electric range can reach 100 km and 180 km respectively.